Yes, dentists with payment plans. Many more dentists are actually being able to take payment plans. Now, some have more liberal offers where they'll take payment plans over a series of months. Some will maybe only have a 2 or 3, 4 month or cycle type of billing payment plan. Like for ourselves at Modern Family Dental Care, we actually have a savings program which allows you to make payments into this to your account, which will save over time, and we actually even match or give you some kind of benefit reward for doing so. We also have third-party financing, right, where you got to qualify. However, you got payment plans at 0% interest or maybe a low interest rate, depending on the terms, that will allow you to get the dental care that you need. We also offer an in-house payment plan. That's probably more specific to what you're looking for. We have a 2-pay type of program. Other people may have a 3-month or 4-month, maybe 6 months. All kind of depends upon how they want to do it. Another way you can look at payment plans as well is to, depending on your goals, you can stage your treatments, right? So you don't gotta do everything all at once. Now, for that's ideal, but let's be realistic here, right? So let's say you have a plan that requires you for multiple restorations or fillings, maybe a crown, and maybe you have to have a root canal, unfortunately, right? Well, yeah, man, that's gonna cost you some money. Everybody's fees are different. However, if you can't do it all at once, well, you start with the most important thing to take care of, and you just tackle that first. You go step 2, tackle that next. Step 3, tackle that next. And so now you essentially kind of incorporate it into your overall treatment a plan. A plan. And this is unlike going to the medical doctors where you go in and get treatment. It's 100% or nothing, right? So you have more control over your care at the dentist. So my 2 cents there. I think it worked well for our patients. I think it will work well for you as well. So come see us, come talk to our specialist if you have any questions, okay?